Hey there, today I want to show you a step-by-step plain English way to use the No Magic Package Overview Diagram Wizard to automate package structure creations. This tool is really helpful for quickly generating visual overviews of folders and packages and their contents without having to draw every box manually. Here's how to use the Package Overview Diagram Wizard. First, open the wizard. To do that, look at the main menu bar at the very top of your screen. Click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Package Overview Diagram Wizard. Next, name your diagram and choose its settings. The wizard window will pop up. In the top text box, under Type Package Diagram Name, delete the default code and type in a clear, recognizable name for your new diagram. I name this Example Model. Just below the name box, you'll see two circular radio buttons. Pay close attention to these, they affect how your diagrams are saved. This first is adding diagrams into their own package. This will try to create a new diagram inside every single folder you select later. The second radio button is adding all diagrams into selected package. This will safely put all the generated diagrams into one specific folder you chose. Here's a pro tip. Choosing this option helps avoid the errors. In the list under Search by Name, click on the specific folder where you want your new diagram to be saved, for example, the model folder. Click the next button at the bottom. You're now on the Select Packages screen. On the left side, you'll see a list of all the folders and profiles currently in your project. Click on the folder you want to visualize. I've expanded the model folder and select Using Packages. Next, click the plus button in the middle of the screen. This moves the folder and everything inside it over to the Selected Elements list on the right. Once you have moved everything you want to visualize to the right side, click Next. The next three screens allow you to configure advanced options, choose which relationship lines to display, and specify the properties of the symbols. You can leave all the settings at their defaults and simply click Next through each screen. Once you reach the final Specify Symbol Properties screen, click Finish. Now you can view your diagram. The wizard will automatically close, and your new neatly organized package overview diagram will immediately be created and displayed on your screen. Hope this video helped and look forward to seeing you in the next one.